Look what I just received from Click and Play. This is a garden set for kids. And look how nice these are. These measure 27 inches each, approximately. And this is going to provide hours of fun for your little one. This is great for kids that want to help out while you're gardening, and they're going to feel like they're gardening too. And these actually do work. You're going to be receiving this shovel, very nice, and all of these have a hanger right here, so you can hang it up as well. They're also going to be receiving this rake, perfect for leaves. How nice is this? And also this hoe, perfect, also known as a spade. And also another rake as well. And this is the kind that are harder versus this is more flexible and they're able to rake leaves. Look at these fun, colorful, bold colors. You're going to be receiving red, green, yellow, and blue. And what an awesome gardening tool set this is. Perfect for lawn care and hours of imaginative play. This is perfect for the future gardener in your life. This is also great for children 3 years to about 8 years old. And it's also made of very durable material, solid too, and made of wooden handles. Let me show you a close-up of what you're going to receive. Here's a close-up, and each of these measure about 27.5 inches. And look at the detailing, very good solid material. And each of these have a hole here with a strap so it can easily be hung up. And this is what the rake looks like. And it also has flexible tips. And this is what the back side looks like. And look at how nice this rake is. Really great quality material. And this is what this hoe looks like. Really good quality as well. This set is such a great set, and it's going to provide hours of fun and imaginative play as well as real work too for your little one. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.